You said in your speech over 1,000 animals die a day. Can you tell me where you found that statistic?
I know it.
How do you know it?
In your house. I usually see, like, is hard the news.
But see, to give you credibility, see, I don't know you as an expert. So when you cite a statistic like that, it helps to add to your credibility when you state where you got that piece of information from. So part of when you do a report, you have to put notes as to where your sources of information are when you're not the known expert for a particular piece of data. So this 1,000 animals a day, or did you said every day 1,000 animals die every day?
A day.
Do you remember where you got that piece of information from?
Well,
You gave us a statistic of 1,000 animals per day die. So you have to cite where that source of information comes from. When you're not the source of the information, because this gets to what we talk about, remember paraphrasing or plagiarism? When you use information that was somebody else's information, you have to give them credit for that information. Now let me ask you this. You just made up the 1,000 on your own? Or was that stated in the newscast that you saw?
I made it on my own.
All right, so see, that's what I'm getting to. You can't just make up statistics. When you make a report and when you give a speech, you have to research that data or data that supports your argument. It has to come from credible sources, right? So you can't just make up a number and throw it in there because people are going to call you on it. So say, for instance, the President of the United States made an address to the nation and he just made up some number for the budget that we're dealing with our banking institutions, right? And he just made it up. He didn't have any of his experts in the financial industry come to him with those numbers. But I'm giving you an example of how in the real world making up data isn't a good thing. Right? You have an excellent speech and you gave an excellent delivery. But see, I, as one of the people who may not agree with you because you're trying to persuade me to agree with you, well, you may not make me agree with you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and tear you down. I'm going to try and show that you're wrong. And by you coming up with fake data, if I can come up with data that is from a credible source that counteracts your data, then I can debunk your argument, right? So that's part of debating. So that's like when the president's on the campaign trail and he has to talk with the other candidates out there, right? They're all talking about different statistics and causes and all kinds of things, and they have to come up with information that's credible for their argument to persuade people to believe in them and to vote for them. So you can't make up, well, I'm giving this to you, I'm being a little bit hard on you. You did great on everything else, but you can't make up numbers. And that goes for all of your reports. You've got to have a credible source, okay? All right? Understand? Can you teach back? What was it?
Okay. You can't make up a number.
And why?
Because it's against the law.
More or less. Yes?